Hello everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you how you can use your Apple Watch as an anti-theft device. So for this you need to install an app in your iPhone. It's called Bluetooth BLF. So I will put the link in the description box. So after installing it, you have to install that in your Apple Watch too. So after installing it, you will see something like this. So now it's searching for my device. So once it is paired, it will start reflecting. I'm just pairing it. So for this to work, you have to turn on your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth signal. Even in your Apple Watch. Yeah, so it's already connected now. Yes, it says 100% and you are very nearby. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in my bag. So I'm going to put this in the bag. So after putting it in the bag, I'm going to keep this bag away, and now I can wear my Apple Watch and I can go to washroom or toilet. If it is in train or flight, you can keep your mobile phone in your bag and you can put on your watch. And now you see I have kept that phone far away. So it shows me around 13 meters. My iPhone is there. So at some point it's going to disconnect. If somebody takes away my phone, it's going to disconnect from this Apple Watch. That is the point, you know, okay, somebody has taken it. So I will show you that. You can see I have kept my phone far away from my watch. As a result, you see in the top, you see a red disconnect button. So that means my phone is disconnected from the Apple Watch. So if you have gone to washroom, you will know somebody has taken out your bag or iPhone. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.